Hello friends, have you seen my earlier video? If not, then watch now. Hello friends, तो आज हम बात करेंगे Quatrain Poetry का. So if you've not seen the video how to write Quatrain Poetry, please watch the video first and then we'll be discussing about this. So in this Quatrain form of poetry, basically we have to understand the rhyme scheme. This is the example. I can feel inside my shattered pride that awaits the pit, smiling at the gate. So in this example, you can see the first and second line is rhyming, the third and fourth line is rhyming. This is a aabb rhyme scheme. Together let's stand for a new start, for a new brand, for a unified art. In this example, you can see the first and third line is rhyming, the second and fourth line is rhyming. So in this, the rhyme scheme we can say is abab. Let's follow the light, leaving behind night. Let's conquer fright to change our plight. So in this example, you can see that all the four lines are rhyming. You can see the last word. So this is the rhyme scheme aaaa. I can feel your touch in this burning day, in this churning stay. I love you so much. This example, you can again see the first and the fourth line is rhyming. The second and third line is rhyming. So the rhyme scheme is ABBA. Now we'll go to the next one. Let's fight for humanity. Staying in our room, we hope the sun will shine, raising all the gloom. So in this example, you can see the first and third line is not rhyming. Second and fourth line is rhyming. So this rhyme scheme is again ABCB. Let's fight for humanity. Staying in our room. Let's follow the sanity, giving hope to all. So in this Quatrain Poetry example, the first and third line is rhyming. The second and fourth line is not rhyming. So the scheme is ABAC. These are the various examples of Quatrain Poetry. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment and share. And if you have a doubt, you can put your comment in there and I will again tell you to please write a small example in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.